everybody, what's good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashlyn and I am back with another video. For today's look, I decided to give y'all this fun purple and gold cut crease. And when I tell y'all I'm literally living for this look right now, like y'all, I'm living for this look right now. Like I did that. I really did that. So before I go any further into the video, I want to say if you like what you see so far, go ahead and give my video the thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this look and you want to see how to get it, continue to watch. Now I'm going to jump right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the eyeshadow. I already primed my eyelids and I use my Milani's 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. And I got this in the color Warm Beige and I set that with my banana powder. So for my first shade, I'm going to go into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And the first color I'm going to use is this fuchsia color right here. So for the next shade, I'm going to take my Morphe M433 brush and I'm going to go back into that Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And the next color I'm going to use is this purple color. And I'm going to place this in my crease because this is where I'm going to cut my crease at. So this is a look that I already played with already. I filmed it and everything. And when I finished it, like after I got done with the whole entire makeup process, I told myself that I was gonna have to do it again. Cause sometimes on some of my looks, I just feel like I could do better. Like, you know, when you do something and you feel like you do, like it was good, but it could be better. So yeah, so this is me, take 2, doing it again. So I'm gonna go pick up that blending brush again and just blend that pink in. I feel good about this time though. I feel like this time is gonna be good. So I'm gonna take that same Morphe M433 brush and going into the Morphe 35M palette. I'm going to take, last time I went into the black shadow, y'all, and I was so mad. But I'm gonna take this dark little, it's like a little midnight color. It's like almost purple, but it's like a bluish too. We're gonna call it indigo. And we're gonna put that in our outer V and also blend it up to the crease a little bit. I'm going to do a half moon cut crease, and to cut my crease I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium. I love when I get that perfect cut crease. I be so proud of myself. Like, bitch, we done came a long way. We done came a long way. So I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to spray it just to get it a little bit wet. I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and the color, the first color I'm gonna take is Queen, and I'm gonna place that on top of the concealer. So I'm gonna say, like, this is my second time doing this look. And of course, it came out way better than the first time. Like, practice make perfect. So I'm happy because it look way better than the first time. Okay. But I'm gonna take that Morphe palette, that Morphe M433 brush with that purple, and just push it in a little bit so the edges don't look as harsh, and voila. So I'm gonna go off camera. Well, first I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna use my Milani Prime Light Primer and prime my face, and then I'm gonna go off camera to put my lashes on. So for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybeline Fit Me Foundation in Dewy Smooth, and this color is 315 Soft Honey. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to put it on, and then I'm going to go and buff it out with my Morphe Y6 Brush. I always forget to put concealer on my face. Dang. My face was breaking out right here, so it's scars right there, and it's red scars too. And I forgot to put concealer on. So for concealer to highlight today, I'm going to use my Tarte Take concealer, and it's in the color medium. I know somebody probably looking at this like, what is she doing? That can't be all she gonna use, but it is. So with my concealer, I already don't use a lot of concealer. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that. And with my Tarte concealer, I really don't, because this concealer goes a long way. So I don't use a lot of that concealer, but that's probably all I use. So I'm gonna take that beauty sponge and go and blend my concealer out. So I'm gonna go set and to set my face. No, I'm not. What am I doing? I was gonna skip a whole step. I'm gonna go contour my face. I'm gonna use my Wet&Wild contour stick, and this is in the color Walnut. I did that so ugly. I just did not care. Thicker than cornbread. I love it like soul food. So usually I don't really care about my nose contour. Like, I'll contour it, but I wouldn't like go into depth with it because I don't care about it that much. Today I'ma try to care about it today. So to blend my contour out, I'm gonna use my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. Lately, instead of rubbing, I've been patting my contour into my skin, and I can see a slight difference rather than going in rubbing it in there. I don't know, I feel like it looks better. It make it look more real, like more how it's supposed to be. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it. I just like this outcome better. So I'm gonna take this Morphe G14 brush and so my nose contour. So to set my face, I'm going to use my Big Banana powder. set my contour, I'm gonna use my #1 brush from the Itsmyrayeraye's collection in her palette, and I'm going to the color Mocha. Why is there a bobby pin stuck on it? Take the G6 brush, just set my contour with the same powder. Okay, y'all, I'm scared. I really hope this does the way. If it does not, I'm gonna cry. My nose looks snatched though. I'm gonna go dust my powder off, and I'm gonna use my Real Techniques powder brush. I thought it wasn't going away at first. I was gonna cry. I'm telling you, I was gonna cry. This is not the only bronzer I use. This is not the only bronzer I like. So I'm gonna use my Becca Cosmetics bronzer, Sunlit bronzer in the color Bronze Bondi. Next up is a blush, and the blush I'm going to use today is KleanKolors Make Me Blush palette. It's a very old palette, okay? It's cracked up. And I'm going to dip into these two colors. I'm going to put this on lightly because out of all my blush palettes or blushes period, this is the most pigmented one. It's like eyeshadow, so I go in real light with it because you don't want that face to be too red. I like that Rudolph nose, so I do that all the time. Did y'all see that fly past? So I'm gonna go set my face with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna use those two colors, the fuchsia and the purple. I'm so proud of this look, y'all, and it's not even finished yet. I'm just so proud of how I look right now. The baddest. Okay, so I'm going to do my highlight now. I'm going to spray my highlight brush. So the color that I'm going to use today is Moonlight. I'm gonna pop some of that Moonlight color in my inner corner and my brow bone. Go right into my lip gloss today. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fessy. I'm just gonna take my first lip gloss. This will do. did not line my lips to the best of my ability today, but it's fine. I'm gonna go set my face again with my Badescu facial spray. I'm going to redo my lashes, get dressed, put some big ghetto hoops on, and I will be back. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look, and I'm living right now. Like, yes, I did that, girl. I did that. Like, I'm really in love with this look. I enjoy making this video, and I love this look. Hopefully, you all do too. If you do not forget to give my video the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see